How to unfriend someone on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can unfriend someone on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Unfriending a person on Discord is relatively very simple. You can do it from your Discord website, or you can also open the app, be it on your mobile or your laptop. If you're doing from your browser, go to discord.com and make sure that you're signed into the account. And once you've done so, over here you'll be able to see many options where you have to go to the direct messages tab. When you go to direct messages, here you can see friends, and you can see with the friends that are online or all of your friends. So when you go to the all option, currently I do not have any friends because I just created this account. If you do have any of the friends inside of your friends list, then you'll be able to see them, and then you'll be able to click the remove button next to them in order to remove those friends respectively. Once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then repeat the process for all of the other friends that you might want to remove. And that's all it takes to remove or unfriend someone on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.